Okay. Okay. So today also same thing, likewise again on the topic of muscle. So what do you mean by muscle? I mean the muscle they helps in what? The muscle system, the muscular system. They helps in the movement of your body, okay, movement of the human body, and as well as what you will find where you will find muscle tissue. Muscle tissue you will find in your heart, as well as your digestive organs, and also in your blood vessels. So in all these places, you will find the muscle tissue. Next is what? Function. Let us discuss about the function now. The muscles, they helps in what? They helps you in force. Means they helps you in pushing something. They helps you in motion. Motion means what? They helps you in moving yourself. And also the muscle helps in what? Changing posture. That is sitting, standing, all these things. And locomotion also same thing, like moving from place to place. And also they helps in what? They also helps you in contraction of your internal organs. That means in your internal organs also your muscles is found, such as what? Such as heart, in your heart as well as in your digestive system. Understand? So in all these places you will find the muscles. So first let us discuss about the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle, they are also known as involuntary muscle. Involuntary muscle is what? The one which you can't control. Okay, the ones which you can't control. And this smooth muscle you will find mostly in the what? In the all this part, digestive system. Okay, which you can't control, as well as in your respiratory system, as well as in your renal system, that is in your urinary system, excretory system, in your reproductive system also you will find. So in all these places, you will find the smooth muscles. Understand? Smooth muscle, which you can't control. In smooth muscle, you will find here in your digestive system, in your respiratory system, in your renal system, and your reproductive system. Okay, are you clear about the smooth muscle? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is cardiac muscle. Okay, this is the cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle, where you will find in the heart. Cardio. Yesterday I said, na, means cardio means heart. So you will find in the what? Heart, this cardiac muscle. So this cardiac muscle, with the help of this cardiac muscle, you are able to, I mean, your heart is able to beat, your heart is able to contract. Understand? And this cardiac muscle, they are also known as myocardium. And they helps the heart in what? This myocardium, I mean this muscle, they helps the heart in contracting. I mean coming in, going out like this, contract. Helps in contraction. And also they helps the heart in what? They helps the heart in relaxation as well as circulation. Understand? This muscle, with the help of this cardiac muscle, that is known as the myocardium, they helps in that. And you will find that just like the smooth muscle, this cardiac muscle also, like you are not able to control. It's happening automatically. That is involuntary. Understand? So that is about the cardiac muscle. Let's talk about the skeletal muscle. So this is the skeletal muscle. And this skeletal muscle, they are also known as what? Striated muscle. The skeletal muscle, they are also known as striated muscle. And you will find that this skeletal muscle, you can find that they are voluntary. Voluntary means what? Which you can control it. And you will find that this skeletal muscle, okay, they have some muscle fiber. Fibers mean what? They are long and they are like line shape. So that's why it is known as striate muscles. Okay, so you can control. They look like stripes. They look like something line. So that's why it is known as stripe, or else it is known as stripe muscles. And this skeletal muscle you can control. That means what? They are voluntary muscles. And this skeletal muscle you will find that They help you in what? Giving strength. Okay, it is found in the bones. I mean, within the bones, it is found the skeletal muscle, and with the help of the skeletal muscle, you are able to gain power as well as physical strength. And in this skeletal muscle, you will find that they are attached to each bones. Means bones are there, and this skeletal muscle they are attached to the bones. And this skeletal muscle they helps in what? They helps in stretching the joint. Means they helps in stretching like this, and also they helps. It is situated here in between the two bones. I mean, bones is there, right? So they are situated here. They are attached to the another bone also. Okay, so the attachment of in between the two bones is known as what? Tendons. Okay, tendons. It is known as tendons. So, because of the tendons, like your skeletal muscles, they are able to move. Okay, so now let us see about the function of this skeletal muscle. So, the first one is what? The skeletal muscle, they are situated in the bones. Okay, with the help of what? With the help of tendons. Tendons, they are located in between the bones. And you'll find the skeletal muscles are voluntary. Voluntary means what? Which you can control it. Okay. And what will you find in the skeletal muscle? You'll find that they helps your bones in what? Giving strength and as well as power. And the skeletal muscle they are attached to each bone, as I've already said. And they helps you in what? They helps you in stretching as well as joining the joints. That means they are attached to each bones. Okay. So they also helps you in what? Maintaining posture and body position. They also support your tissue, soft tissue. They also helps in what? They also helps you in entrance and exit. Means what? Means if anything enters inside your body and if something like goes out to your body, so it helps you in that thing also. Next is what? They also helps you in maintaining the body temperature, and also they helps you in what? Storing all the nutrients, okay, which is being reserved, which is being stored. Next is facial muscle. So the facial muscle, they are not attached directly to the bone. I mean they are what? I mean they are what to say? They are actually there. They are already there. You can say like that. So the so the facial muscle, they're attached under the skin, and with the help of this facial muscle, like you are able to give some facial expression. Okay, you are able to give some facial expression, even the smallest movement in your face also, like it will be able to what clearly seen in your face. Next is what? Muscle in the head and neck. Now, means in your head and neck, what are the muscles found? Zygomaticus, this one. This is the zygomaticus. You will find here in the zygomaticus. The zygomaticus helps you in what? They helps you in doing some facial expression, and they help to lift your face both sides, okay, right and the left side, so that when you will smile, they will be able to lift like that. And next is masseter. The masseter helps you in what? They helps you in chewing the food as well as closing your mouth. Okay, they help you in that this masseter. Next is what? Next is eye extraocular muscle. This one. So eye extraocular muscle, they are found here. They are found in your eyes, and they helps your eyes in what? They helps your eyes in closing as well as opening your eyes. Okay. Next is muscle of the tongue. Muscle of the tongue you'll find in your head and the neck, in between your head and the neck. And in this muscle of the tongue, what will you find? You'll find that they helps your tongue in lifting your tongue as well as lowering down your tongue. Okay, they help you in that. Next is sternocleidoid muscle. So this is a sternocleidoid muscle. So the sternocleidoid muscle, they are located where? They are located in your neck. This is your neck portion. And Sternocleidoid muscle, they help you in rotating your head from this direction to another direction. So the sternocleidoid muscle, they help you in that thing. Next is muscle of the trunk. So this is the muscle of the trunk. They are located where? They are located in your torso abdomen, means this portion, downside. Okay, it is also known as erector spiny or spina. All this portion is known as erector spiny or spina. And this erector spiny or spina, they help in supporting your spine. This is your spine. They help you in supporting that thing, and also they help you in bending down. They help you in lifting up. Okay, they also help you in twisting your spine from right to left side. They help you in that thing. Okay, is it clear about erector spiny or spina? Next is oblique muscle. So this is the oblique muscle. So the oblique muscle, they are where? In the internal as well as external side. This oblique muscle, they help your body. How do they help you? They help you in bending as well as they help you in twisting from side to side, and they also help you in uh, moving your body. Okay, did you understand? This red color portion, this red color portion is known as the oblique muscle. Okay, this portion. Next is intercostal muscle. So this is the intercostal muscle. I mean, you will find in between the space of your ribs. Okay, this is your rib cage, right? So the intercostal muscle, they are located around your ribs, and the intercostal muscle, they help you in inhaling and exhaling, means they help you in respiratory system. They help you in breathing. Next is diaphragm. So this is the diaphragm. So the diaphragm, they separate your torso from your abdomen, means torso and abdomen. Okay, they help. I mean, separation means you can say the borderline. And they also help. The diaphragm helps with inhaling, exhaling. Means they help you in respiratory system. They help you in breathing. Next is levator ani or ani. So this is the levator ani or ani. They helps in what? They helps or else they support the tissues which is around your pelvis. This is your pelvis. They helps you in supporting that. They also helps you in what? While urinating, and as well as they also helps you in bowel movement. This the digestive system part. So in those two things they help you. This levator ani. Next is muscle of upper extremities. So this is the muscle of upper extremities. So in the muscle of upper extremities, what will you get? You will get shoulders, your arms, your wrist, and the hands. Means all this portion. So the first muscle which you will find is the trapezius muscle. So this is the trapezius muscle. So the trapezius muscle, they help you in what? They help you in tilting your head back. I mean this side. You can do that. You can raise your shoulder like this. Okay, you can also move your shoulder blades together. I mean like this. You can move it together, right? So it means that shoulder blades means this portion. Okay, next is pectoralis major. So this is the pectoralis major. They are located here in your upper chest. This is your chest, right? So it is located in your upper side, and they help you in what? They help you in moving your arms. Okay, moving your arms, ventricle and lateral means all this in all directions you can move pectoralis major. Next is what? Next is deltoid. So this is deltoid. Deltoid is here. Okay, deltoid is here. Deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle they helps in what? They helps in rotating the arm at your shoulder. Means in this way they help. They help you in that. Next is what? Bicep brachii. So this is the bicep brachii. So the bicep brachii helps in what? Flexing your forearm, means you can flex your forearm. So they help you in that, so that the elbow will bend. My elbow is bending right now. So with the help of what I'm able to do, with the help of the bicep brachii. Understand? Next is trapezius, uh, triceps brachii. So this is the triceps brachii. And what do? They extend the forearm, straightening the elbow, means like this. You can straighten your elbow, right? In this way. So the tricep brachii, they help you in performing that. Next is muscle of lower extremities. In the muscle of your lower extremities, what you will find? You will find the gluteus muscle. This is the gluteus muscle, or else the gluteus maximus. So this is the gluteus maximus. This is the gluteus medius, but you will find mostly this one, the gluteus maximus. The gluteus maximus, they helps you in what? They helps in movement of your hips. Okay, you can move your hips as well as your thighs with the help of this muscle. And also you can maintain posture by what? By sitting position, or when you climb up the stairs, they help you in that, the gluteus maximus. Next is quadriceps, this one. In your thigh, you will get the quadriceps. So the quadriceps is here, and where they are located? They are located in front of your thigh. This is your thigh, right? So they help you in what? They help you in straightening your leg at your knee. Okay, they help you in straightening your leg. Next is hamstrings. So hamstrings are all this, okay, all this. So this is the hamstring muscle. The hamstring muscle, they are located where? At the back of your leg. The hamstring muscle helps you in what? They helps you in extending your thigh. They helps you in extending this thigh, and also they helps you in bending your knee. Bending your leg at the knee. I mean, you can suppose this is your knee. Okay, suppose this is your knee, you can bend it like this. So with the help of what muscle? With the help of the hamstring muscle, which is located at the back of your leg. This is at the back of your thigh, you can say. Next is tibialis anterior. So this is the tibialis anterior, and this tibialis anterior, this muscle, they helps you in what? They helps you in raising the sole of your foot. This is the sole of your foot. Okay, it means the bottom. Suppose this is your feet. So this one, this downside is known as the what? Sole. S-O-L-E, sole. So they helps you in like this, raising up your foot. This tibialis anterior. Next is soleus. The soleus, where they are located? Soleus, they are located at the lower part of your foot. Okay, means this part, this side, they helps in what? They helps in giving posture. I mean, they helps in walking. They also helps in maintaining posture to your body. Okay. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Today's class, revision class. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, smooth muscle, where you will find the smooth muscle? Asang? Smooth muscle, Asang Modi? Okay, Kajal, can you say smooth muscle, where will you find?
Ma'am, brain,
Uh-huh. Where? Where, Kajal? You can't control that muscle.
ma'am,
Where?
don't,
Mm-hmm. Okay, Masmin, can you say where will you find this foot muscle? In which system? In which system?
Hello,
Masmin?
ma'am.
In which system will you find this foot muscle?
My muscular system.
Muscular system, I know we are talking about muscular system only, but I'm just asking you particularly, like you use some specific words so that it will be more clear. Where will you find? In which system?
My human body.
Obviously, we are talking about human body. We are not talking about animal body or plant body, something like that. I know obviously you'll find in the human body, but I'm asking you to name specifically. Understand? Okay, Miracle, can you say
Ma'am,
where will you find?
digestive system.
Okay, digestive system and
Digestive.
uh-huh. Okay, can you write in the chat box? Actually, your voice is not clear. Uh-huh. Okay, your voice is not clear. Okay, Fraki, can you say? Fraki?
Ma'am,
Can you say? Smooth muscle, where will you find in which system?
respiratory system.
Okay, respiratory system and anything else?
Uh,
Just now, Miracle also said digestive system. I will add that one also. Digestive, respiratory, then anything else?
reproductive system.
Reproductive system, okay. And
That's it.
okay, let me show you. See this. Digestive system, respiratory system, renal system, and reproductive system. Renal system means what? Excretory system, urinary system. Understand? Don't get confused. Okay, Mesmin, can you see the screen? Can you see, Mesmin? Mesmin De Burma, can you see? Hello. Mesmin? Okay, don't forget digestive system, respiratory system, renal system, and reproductive system. Okay, Sachi.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the name of the muscle which is found in the cardiac muscle? I mean, with some cardian is there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name?
Myocardium.
With the help of myocardium, the heart is able to contract. It's not it. The heart is able to function in a right manner, in a proper manner. Okay, Sajarika, can you hear me? Sajarika, Shanti, can you hear me, Shanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see me, Shanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shanti, I will show you some muscle, huh? Well, you have to name the muscle. Here, one muscle is there in your neck. So, what is the name of that muscle which lies in your neck?
Neck.
Yeah, which lies in your neck. जो गर्दन में है ना, वो एक मसल का नाम है, मतलब जो गर्दन में है, वो मसल का नाम क्या है? यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे. Here it is located. What is the name? Can you say?
I forgot, ma'am.
Can you see this, Shanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Say now. What is the name? It is clearly written.
Interior border.
Anterior. See this. See this. See this. Read this. Read this out.
Oh, is there no cleodomastoid something, ma'am? I can't pronounce.
Sternocleidoid. Yes, it is. You can also say sternocleidoid muscle also. Understand? Sternocleidoid muscle also you can say, but mostly we use the word sternocleidoid. Till O also you can use. Okay, sternocleidoid muscle also you can say. So with the help of this sternocleidoid mastoid muscle, you can rotate your neck, you can tilt your head. I mean you can do like this. Okay, you can move like this sideways, forward, backward. Understand?
Yes,
Understand,
ma'am.
Shanti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, are you clear, everyone? In the next class, you please see carefully. Huh? Means you please go through once again because I will ask any one of you yes about this muscle. That is physiology theory. For physiology theory, in the next class, you please study muscles and you come to the class. I mean, you join the class. Okay. You study the muscle. I'll ask any one of you. You please study nicely and come. Okay, then that's all for today's class. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.